If you're experiencing login errors on Chase Bank, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. If you are using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired connection or restarting your router. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double-check that you are entering the correct username and password. Pay attention to capitalization and any special characters. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, accumulated cache and cookies can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and attempt to log in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and try logging in again. Step 5. Update your browser or app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of your web browser or the Chase mobile app. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Update to the latest version and try logging in once more. If you continue to experience issues after following these steps, consider contacting Chase Bank's customer support for further assistance.